Fresh gear, bold designs, and pro tools. 7 brand new products just dropped this month. Starting off strong, Sörbo just released the English Squeegee Complete. This limited edition Squeegee celebrates the UK with bold flag colors, while delivering the same Sörbo performance you know. It comes equipped with a 14-inch wide-body channel, and the handle has a swivel head and a quick-release mechanism. Maykker products just dropped their new Eco-Krush soap. This new eco-friendly formula delivers rich, foamy suds. It also provides great glide and works on all glass surfaces. Next up is the Unger Ninja Carbon Pole. Crafted from 100% carbon fiber, it gives you maximum strength with minimal weight. It features a pointed rubber tip that forms to the edge of the glass for better detailing. The ergonomic shape enhances your grip and prevents the sections from twisting. Comes in sizes ranging from 4 feet to 18 feet, and they're all equipped with Unger's universal locking cone. Also new this month from Unger is the nLITE Carbon 16K telescopic pole. Built from high-quality carbon fiber, this pole stays strong and rigid. Choose from 33 or 40-foot sizes. You can also get the full starter kit, which includes a 12-inch brush and 82 feet of Duraflex hose. And for those running DI tanks, the Zero DI tank carry handle makes hauling simple. Choose from metal or nylon. It swivels for smooth mobility and is built for everyday use with the half cubic foot tank. And for a power wash pros, the new X-Jet stainless steel proportioner tip gives you precision chemical control. With 5 metering tips, a barb, and a wrench, it lets you dial in the desired dilution for your X-Jet nozzle. And finally, the WCR Shoelaces. You're already putting in the work, so you may as well look good doing it. Durable, washable, and sold as a pair. That's the drop for the month of August. And all of these new products are available for the lowest price at windowcleaner.com.